Hey, I'm Alan, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use our Room Scanner app, which is available only on LiDAR-enabled devices to measure this house right behind me. So if you don't know what Room Scanner is essentially an AR type of measuring system that we've developed. You can simply use your phone's camera and LiDAR scanner and use that to scan the rooms pretty easily without the need for a traditional Bluetooth laser like we usually use with our other apps. Now I'm going to open up our Room Scanner app and hit the plus button to open up a new project. Give it a name and then tap to create. So now I'm in my new project screen right now, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus button to start scanning. To start, before I start scanning the walls, I'm just going to go ahead and move my phone up and down to kind of let the LiDAR sensor pick up the ceiling and the wall and the ground. And you can see it's already picking things up as outlined by the white lines here. And as you can see, there's clear lines between the ground and the wall up to the ceiling, and it also can capture the windows. So I'm going to keep going. And you can see that even picks up doorways right here as I walk past the entryway. And as I keep on going past the walls, I'm just simply going to rotate. And here I'm going to the kitchen. And I'm going to continue continuously pointing at the ground and at the ceiling as well, just to let the sensor pick up these objects. And now that we're in the kitchen, a good rule of thumb is just to pick a central location in these enclosed areas, so that all you have to do is really just point and just rotate. Not too much need to step around here, and it just makes my life a lot easier. So all I have to do is just rotate, and it'll just continuously pick up things like the cabinets, the countertops right here. I'll keep going and let it pick up this sliding door right here. And you can see that we're done. So I'll just tap done, and I'll just give this area that I just measured a name. I'll hit continue, and I'm ready to move on to the next. So as you can see, MeasureSquare Room Scanner is a great tool for residential areas which are a little bit smaller and don't require the use of a Bluetooth laser. You can simply just go in and point your phone and just pick up all the walls without really needing to hit any other buttons. And the really great part is that it also works with our MeasureSquare Mobile apps. You can simply measure with Room Scanner, and once you're done, transfer it to MeasureSquare Mobile, and then continue drawing from there, or make any corrections if needed. So there you have it. Room Scanner is a perfect companion for MeasureSquare Mobile.